Students, welcome back to my class. So in your last class we have learned about Golgi apparatus, and today we'll be learning another type of cell organelle, that is lysosome. So we are going to see what is lysosome. So the first characteristics of lysosomes is they are membrane bound organelles, or say membrane bound shells. Membrane bound cells. Okay, membrane bound organelles. So actually, for example, suppose this is a cell. Okay, so for example, this is cell mitochondria and many other like different cell organelles. Let's take these as lysosome. Okay, lysosomes. So now what it says, it is a lysosome is a membrane bound. It is a membrane bound organelles and it is filled with digestive enzymes. So what it says, this lysosome is filled with digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes. So this is, suppose this is the enzyme. So it is filled with, what is that? Digestive enzyme. So, and now we will see. This lysosome is, okay, let's write here. Filled with digestive enzymes. And what next? So what is next? So this, as I said, this is filled with enzymes, and these enzymes is made by another type of cell organelle, that is RER. So you know what is RER? That is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So now this lysosome, it acts like waste disposal system. So where does it act like the waste disposal system? In cell. Okay, it acts as a waste disposal system of the cell. So what happens? Like for example, like every day we used to throw like waste. For example, in kitchen when we cook curry, for example, if we get pumpkin, we will cut the skin of it and then we will dispose it. So this is how we dispose our like vegetable waste and all. When it comes to cell, what it happens is this particular cell organelle, it acts as a disposal system. It used to we will see how we dispose. Okay, we will see in the next. So what it does, since it helps in waste disposal systems, it helps to keep the cell clean. What is next? It helps the cell to keep clean. Okay, that is another one. And what it does, how does it keep clean? By digesting foreign materials. Okay, by digesting foreign materials, and one more thing, that is all cell organelles, or say okay. This one, it helps the cell to keep clean, and the other one is by digesting. How? By digesting foreign materials and all cell organelles. Okay? And then cell organelles, by digesting foreign materials and burn out cell organelles. So foreign materials. When I say foreign material, so when I say foreign materials, what do you understand by the term foreign materials? So normally when I say foreign. We used to say, like for example, if we somebody visit from other country, for example from from Europe, some people of Europe, and then some other countries like China, let's say, or Japan. When they visit in our place, we usually say, like when we see some foreigners has visited our place today, suppose say like particular place, suppose museum. So when we see that they're foreign, why? Because they are not from this our country. They are not familiar, and also they are not from this place. So we call them like they are unfamiliar and they are strange. So stranger, I mean to say stranger. So likewise, even in the cell also, there are many foreign materials. It comes. For example, foreign materials. So what are these foreign materials? Such as food, and then bacteria, and also damaged cell organelles, or say worn out cells. Worn out cells. These things are foreign. These things are foreign materials. Okay, food and cell organelles, and all these foreign materials is ultimately end up in lysosome. Okay, so here another characteristics of lysosome. What they do? So they used to break down. They break down complex substances. They break down complex substances to where? To simple substances. So they break down these complex substances to simple substances by how? By the help of enzymes. By the help of enzymes, they convert from complex substances to simple substances. Okay? Alright. So inside our body system now, the metabolism occurs, isn't it? So you will study all this metabolic part when in your higher studies. So sometimes certain disturbances occurs during metabolism. So for example, in your text is given the cell gets damaged. Yes, when the cell gets damaged, definitely it will disturb the metabolic activity of the cell, isn't it? So what happens? The lysosome may burst. What do you mean by this? So what it says? When the cells get damaged, lysosome may burst. There is something relation in that. Suppose this cell is damaged. Okay, it is damaged and it is non-functional. Non-functional. It doesn't function well anymore. So this type of cells, now who will digest this? Lysosome. Lysosome will digest this. And then also it digests foreign material, isn't it? Foreign material. So what it does? It will digest all this through enzymes. So after digestion, what this lysosome will happen? The cell may burst. It will burst. Okay. And what is lying there? Enzyme. So now what enzyme will do again? Enzyme will digest this cell of lysosome. So that's why lysosome is also called as suicidal bags. Okay. Why it is suicidal bags? Because it acts like a suicide. Because they used to digest the damaged cells and all the waste of contents in the cells, and then when they damage, definitely the cells may burst, and when the cells will burst, the enzymes will digest the cell of lysosome, the cell of itself. Enzymes which are present in the lysosome. So next we will study about mitochondria. Thank you.